Almost a year.
It's been, I think, 4 to 5 months now.
Oh.
Yeah.
अब्दुल तू बोला कुछ और बोला था अब्दुल.
And you?
5 to 6 months.
हाँ चल ठीक है.
ये सच बोला.
ये this is a closer answer
Yes.
then.
ठीक है.
चलो ठीक है. Let's go to the.
Yes, thank you. एक तो पूछता है पहले.
We can go to the next
Yes.
round of this.
So we just
Sure.
noticed how both of them are different in terms of how they explain things or just talk to people. Because when I asked, I just sent a message. These are the options: confidence, humor, stability, vulnerability, appearance. Can you rate what you prefer the most in terms of priority for in your better half? So Vedant said, my priority list is confidence first, second is appearance, third is humor, fourth is stability, and fifth is vulnerability. कुछ नहीं समझा किसी को. Vulnerability एक इंसान में नहीं है. And जसरीत का आंसर था taller than me, 5'9" to 5'11", very realistic. Enough strength to carry me, which matches he knows. And good clean eyebrows. And not very healthy. Should look like a gentleman.
Wow.
Nice, very specific. How tall are you?
The test.
No, it's not a test.
Test नहीं है इधर.
5'9".
5'9". Oh, he's there.
ठीक है चलेगा
Nice.
5'9".
Very realistic. Okay. Oh, the second line. Do you go to the gym? Do you?
No.
No. Do you carry things from time to time?
Yeah.
What? What do you carry?
Electric bike का बैटरी.
किसका इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक का बैटरी? इलेक्ट्रिक बहुत भारी है. बाइक environmentally conscious है बंदा. He's environmentally
Yes,
conscious.
financially
Yes, that's a very good thing. That's very good. Yeah.
If the audience has any questions, we want to take some questions that you would want to ask on a first date, and also taking into account this situation. I know everybody's thinking something.
कुछ तो सवाल होंगे
कुछ तो
तुम्हारे.
सोच रहे लोग. Oh my God! What
What's
is
your
happening?
go-to move on a date?
What?
What's your go-to move on a date?
What move?
ये भाई के moves ही नहीं है.
If you don't know that.
ये भाई के moves ही नहीं है. तुम्हारे again
Can-
nobody answered the question.
Yeah. Go to move like.
Go to move क्या है? जैसे ये गौरव क्या करता है डेट पे जाके पता है?
Yes, पता है.
उनको पता है. किसी को पता नहीं. तू अपना बता ना.
अपना बताऊं?
हाँ.
हाँ तो मैं अपना बताता हूँ.
हाँ.
मैं what do I do on dates? मैं पैसे चुरा लेता हूँ.
फिर वापस मांगने आते हैं लोग.
नहीं ना.
तो go to
Vlog.
move किस चीज के सक्सेस क्या है इसमें?
पैसा मिला.
Rich.
I want to be rich. I don't want to be famous.
Nice.
What does a successful date look like at the end of the day?
Good question. Good
Yeah.
question. Arrange marriage.
Successful.
हाँ successful date.
Successful.
हाँ.
मेरे को मजा आया, उसको मजा आया.
Yeah, you would want to
How do you know मजा आया?
You're already planning a second date.
Yeah.
Correct.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's a good metric to track. We do have corporate jobs.
How would you know you steal and leave?
मेरा भी
Successful
मेरा
date track.
metric है ना. मेरा metric revenue है.
Successful
Metric
date
is
right
revenue.
there. That person doesn't even have to be there.
Instant gratification.
There's
Yeah.
another question. Who pays on the first date?
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Nobody. Audience, come on, yaar. Let's ask some questions. Huh?
What did not work in your previous relationship?
ये वही ना बात. ये these are the questions we are looking for. Come on,
That's
यार.
it,
Yes, let's go.
Too much gaming.
Too much?
Gaming.
Gaming.
So on
Oh.
your side कि वो गेम करती थी बोल. उसके बाद उसने ऐसा पिकअप किया गेमिंग. क्या मजा अपने को. वो बहुत गेम खेलती थी. ये भी चालू हो गया Valorant. फिर उसने छोड़ दिया. Now she is offline and he is online.
That's trauma dumping. That's.
So you were the gamer.
Yeah.
And then you didn't pay attention to her and she left.
ये तू
I
रुकना उसको.
always prefer gaming.
Always.
Yeah, instant gratification, guys. थोड़ा wins चाहिए जिंदगी में.
So how do you think if you keep gaming you'll get a girlfriend?
Reduce me.
IIT.
Financial independence.
That I am without being a gamer. So yeah, but like in general, I'm saying you don't have to give your entire time to gaming.
कौन दे रहे हैं?
You.
नहीं.
So that was a learning. That was, ये वापस flip मार रहा है. ये वापस flip मार रहा है. You guys agree ये flip मार रहा है?
उसको कुछ नहीं बोलेगा.
ऐसे कैसे? वो बोला पहले गेमिंग की वजह से, अब बोलता अभी नहीं कर रहा है गेमिंग.
नहीं but
So you're not. So that's what you learned. That's what you learned. So in the next relationship, you won't be gaming as much.
Yes, I'll try.
ठीक है.
Depends on the person also ना. अगर वो person उसको नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है तो फिर वो गेमिंग करेगा ना. तो फिर ब्रेकअप नहीं करने का.
प्रॉब्लम है ना.
Breakup-
फिर भी गेमिंग करना है.
जब ब्रेकअप तूने किया था या उसने किया था? पर तेरे को थोड़े टाइम में रियलाइज नहीं हुआ कि अरे मेरे को तो गेमिंग पसंद है.
था मेरे पास गेमिंग. देखो यार.
क्या?
Fall back to.
Oh.
His friend is killing himself at the back.
उसने 7 का 3 तो कर दिया है.
वो बोल रहा नहीं.
Same question for you. What
Yeah.
didn't work out in your last relationship?
I don't know.
The guy
Huh?
was gaming too much.
No.
No, अच्छा.
But what
But I
what do you
he
think
was,
that
he
didn't
was,
work?
he was too much into sports. So like,
Oh.
not
Sounds like a winner.
time.
How?
Into sports as in like betting वगैरह क्या करता था? मतलब what do you mean too much into sports? All sports.
In all sports, just like all movies.
Like he used to play too much cricket, and then he was studying also at the same time.
Oh. अच्छा कॉलेज में थे क्या तुम लोग?
नहीं.
तो क्या पढ़ रहा था वो?
He was doing MBA.
तो कॉलेज
नहीं वो यहाँ पे अलग.
कॉलेज ही होता है ना MBA?
नहीं उसको नहीं पता है. अलग होता है.
क्या होता है?
यहाँ पे अलग होता है. तू फ्रांस से है ना? इसलिए इधर
मेरी पोल मत खोल.
हाँ.
तो सब उसका ही फॉल्ट था पिछले वाले में. मैं वाली पूछ रहा हूँ.
ये कितना सेंस हो गया? बोलो मेरा गेमिंग, मेरा प्रॉब्लम. तुम उसका क्रिकेट,
उसका पढ़ाई छोड़ के मेरे को क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है?
Yeah, it was his fault.
It was.
ले बोल ले बाबू.
ठीक है चलो. I think we can play one word association game कर सकते हैं. ठीक है कर लेते हैं. अगर तुम लोग को okay, you guys can like एक मेरे को आइडिया दे दो. What do you think कितने चांस में होएगा इन लोग का अभी? 5.
Oh yeah.
5. Any
Nice.
other कोई और बोली लगा रहा है 5 से अंदर कोई anyone for 4? 3 4
कुछ मिलेगा नहीं हाँ.
ये मैं ऐसे ही पूछ रहा हूँ.
सही बोला.
9. ये आदमी थोड़ा रियलिस्टिक नहीं लग रहा है. 9 बोला मेरे को तो. आई एम विद यू. 7.
ठीक है.
तो 3 से लेके 9 12 कौन बोल रहा है? 12.
खत्म हो जाएगा तब.
वो अभी बस बाकी थोड़ा 5 मिनट बाकी.
चल.
ठीक है वो लोग
अबे
12
word तो
बोल रहे हैं.
मान.
पीपल आर लाइक रियली नॉट लाइक उन लोग को लग रहा है तुम लोग नहीं कर सकते. 12 मतलब क्या है यार? Let's try to get it like.
Let's do it.
You have to win from that guy. वो बंदे से जीतना है तुमको. ठीक है 12 नहीं करना है जितना. ओके तो वर्ड मैं देता हूँ ना. वॉच.
3, 2, 1.
अरे मतलब मैं रेडी हो.
हाँ.
3, 2, 1 पहले भी किया था फिर बोला नहीं कुछ.
Keep it simple.
हाँ. अरे ये क्या कोऑर्डिनेशन है?
हाँ तो बराबर है ना.
1 2 3
Thanks.
Minutes.
उसने मिनट्स बोला इसने टाइम बोला. That's good. Good.
ठीक है.
We can get this in 2 I think.
Yeah.
Come on.
Next one.
नहीं next word नहीं यही वाला.
अरे यही अरे
अच्छा, okay, let's.
Candy Crush.
1 2 3
Seconds.
हैंड्स. अरे यार भाई देखो वॉच से रिलेटेड ज्यादा वर्ड्स है नहीं तो अभी एटलीस्ट
12 तो नहीं है.
12 तो 24 वर्ड्स. नहीं
12 तो है वॉच से रिलेटेड.
हाँ.
Mic drop.
Seconds and hands.
What? Wait. Same word?
हाँ same seconds and hands. You have to come somewhere in between seconds and hands.
1 2 3
Hours.
Come on, let's go. 3.
तो अभी ना हम लोग ने when we called you best friends they pitched for you and they rated each other like 9 on 10, 10 on 10 for their pitch. कि वो क्या ही pitch कर दिया है कि खतरनाक. तो what you guys did was also great. It was actually great. Can we have a round of applause? So now, we don't really care about you for the next 2 minutes. And we have to take your best friend's perspective into account whether there should be a second date. So can you
wear your दुपट्टा वो जो भी था तुम्हारा
wear your
सहरा और ये वापस लगा दो. रुक जा मैं देता हूँ.
ऐसे पहन ले. हाँ नीचे करके देखना मत. Can
Oh,
we have Abdul and
Abdul
Hrithik on
and-
stage please?
Clap. ये बहुत एनर्जी कम है तुम लोग का. Yeah. So, what did you guys think? देखो क्या लगता है? What do you think about?
क्या लग रहा है?
is he-
I think both will be compatible as friends. Maybe they will need, some prompts to keep the conversation going or something. And I think Jazz is a little too, मतलब बहुत pressurize कर देगी बेचारे को.
Oh wow, nice. He's an aware person.
I think both of them were a little nervous, so I would account for that.
thumbs up or thumbs down for
They should go on a second date.
They
or
should
not.
go on a second date or not.
We'll
Okay.
fix this.
Let's go. Thumbs up or thumbs down whether they should go on a second date.
1, 2, 3. Oh!
चल ठीक है.
देखा तुमने?
नहीं देखा रे उसने.
ठीक
उसको
है.
दिख भी नहीं रहा था.
अरे तो हम सब उसका तो नहीं देखा.
हाँ चलेगा. उसने कान भी बंद किया था.
ठीक है. तुमने सुना नहीं कुछ, भूल जाओ.
भूल जाओ. हाँ ठीक है चलो आ जाओ. अरे कर ले ऊपर कर
हाँ,
चलेगा.
Come back to Mumbai. हाँ, ठीक है.
So now what do you guys think? Would you
तो ऐसे मत बोल यार, फिर वो बोल देते हैं.
तो
They also have to do thumb. तेरे को चाहिए ना?
हाँ तो thumbs up,
ठीक से
thumbs up.
समझा.
तो तुमको
What do you guys think?
हाँ ठीक है चलो. Okay, so if you guys will go on a second date or somewhere after this show, you can go after this show also somewhere. ठीक है, तुम लोग का plans तो होगा नहीं. मतलब उसको games खेलना है ना. वो तो बोला कम करिए. ठीक है. So if you guys will go on a second date, want to go on a second date, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Very simple. ठीक है. Let's go. वो countdown देगा.
हाँ.
वो countdown देगा ऐसा.
1, 2, 3.
यही करना था.
ये तो सोचा ही नहीं.
यही तो था. यही था.
आगे क्या करना है नहीं सोचा.
आगे क्या करना है? Now they'll go on a date. We'll let them go on a date.
Yes. And pay for it from the money that you've stolen from other dates.
यार मैं अपना पैसा किसी को नहीं दे रहा.
So, did you like the video? No, I mean, did you like the video? If not, go like, comment, subscribe right now. And if you want to be a part of our next show, it's happening in April end. So, see you soon.